the smart and easy way to do your laundry. Samsung front-load washing machine with Hygiene Steam. It comes in various colors. It comes in 6 kg, 6.5 kg and 7 kg capacity range. It features digital inverter technology, Hygiene Steam, 5-star energy efficient, and ceramic heater. The inbuilt digital inverter motor rotates smoothly and consumes less energy, while a non-inverter motor rotates with resistance, causing noise and vibration. It delivers superior energy efficiency, minimal noise, and long-lasting performance. Hygiene Steam improves the cleaning quality of the wash. It releases steam from the bottom of the drum, so every item is thoroughly saturated. This removes ingrained dirt and 99.9% of bacteria and inactivate allergens. 5-star energy rating. Spend less on bills and protect the planet. The washing machine's high energy efficiency is certified by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency with its highest 5-star rating. Its low power usage saves you money and also reduces harmful CO2 emissions, so it has less impact on the environment. With its ceramic heater, your washer will be around for years to come. It's more durable than conventional heaters by efficiently maintaining its thermal conductivity. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung front-load washing machine with Hygiene Steam.